Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. He was born on 14 November 1889 in Allahabad, Prayagraj. His father's name was Motilal Nehru. His mother's name was Swaroop Rani. His wife's name was Kamala Nehru. He studied law in England. He became a barrister later. He joined the struggle for the independence against the British. Independence became a barrister later. He joined the struggle for independence against the British. He went to jail several times. He was a follower of Mahatma Gandhi. He became the Prime Minister in 1947. He worked hard for the progress of the country. He wrote many famous books. He awarded the Bharat Ratna in 1955. He died on 27 May 1964. He died on 27 May 1964. He was very fond of children. Children called him Chacha Nehru. His birthday is celebrated as Children's Day.